Good to have you back with me again today. Listen, I'm going to kind of continue on a series. This is for investors. If you're an investor, especially if you're a new investor, intermediate investor, I hope this is going to be helpful to you. I hope our channel is helpful to you. We are Results in Real Estate. That's our YouTube channel. My name is Mark Hulsey. I'm a commercial investment broker. I've been in this real estate game forever. Literally going back to Chicago in the early 80s. So I've been doing this for a long time, and I come from an investment background. So I am an investor, and I played that game through and through. And I'm lucky now that I get to represent investors, many of whom are very high-end investors. We get to play in that triple net space. So you guys, why that's important is that we can kind of cover the gamut from the very beginner all the way to the advanced. Do you need a real estate agent or a real estate broker on your investing team? No. Do you need a lawyer on your team? No. Do you need a CPA or tax? No. You can put your team together any way you want. But I can tell you this, that we are really only as successful as the people around us, okay? Because we're all coming in with a crazy amount of experience and knowledge. And I know whether it's in my business or anything that I'm doing, I don't care if I've got a contractor doing some fixing up on the house, or I've got my taxes being done. I want the best people working for me. And investors, oh my goodness. I could talk way too long about the value of a good real estate agent or real estate broker. Now, I know it might sound a little bit like you're self-serving because that's my profession, but listen, I eat, sleep, and breathe real estate for so long. What is my job? My job is to represent. We represent our clients, okay? I'm an old school fiduciary. That's responsibility. In fact, I think we did a video on it. You'll find our fiduciary responsibility video somewhere in here. So we take this seriously. We take representation real seriously. Why? Because I think it's an honor, first of all. If somebody's coming along to me and saying, Mark, I want you to represent me, that's huge. That's really, really big to me. That responsibility is gigantic. And so with that comes a commensurate amount of diligence. Diligence looking out for my clients. I will tell our clients many times, I'm here to protect you. I'm here to guide you, advise you, but protect you. When we're representing a buyer, I'll tell you what, when we represent buyers, which again, we're very much a seller broker, so we take our buyers on quite selectively, we'll tell more buyers, don't buy it, I'm not so sure, I don't like it, here's why I don't like it. Okay, now some people might think, well, you real estate agents, you just want to sell them everything. Not us. Maybe there's some people in the industry that want to do that. It's not the way it is in our commercial investment brokerage firm, far from it. I don't care if it's a net lease investment, we're taking a look at this and we question the tenant's viability, their financial backing, and we need to understand risk, okay? Investment comes with risk. That's why you want a good team around you. You want to mitigate, you want to bring down, you want to measure your risk. You want to eliminate it. Eliminating all risk is essentially impossible. So what we have to do is we need to make sure that we're bringing it into levels that we understand and are tolerable for our ability to take it on. Some people love risk, okay? There's some people, they just love risk. And there's other people that are really conservative and go, no, thank you, don't want it. I want a safe bet, right? I don't care if you're playing the stock market, if you're playing, Bitcoin, if you're playing gold and other types of currency. So that's the whole idea why you want to have people associated with you to cover your bases on the things you don't know every single day. It's interesting as I'm working on a transaction, and every day, we're working on multiple transactions, and we need to sit and we need to problem solve, and we need to think ahead. We need to think about what are the potential problems that could be coming down the road. What about easements? What about encroachments? What about tenants vacating? There are so many issues. What about the leak that just happened or the water heater that just exploded? We open up the closet, it's full of mold, and the next thing you know, we've got this new problem. There are so many aspects because commercial real estate, all real estate, I don't care what real estate it is, it's complicated. There's many pieces to this. You guys, you want to have people who are experienced on your side. I know I do, okay? And so when it comes to building your investing team, make sure you're taking the time to put the right team together, all right? I hope this helps you. I hope you'll subscribe to our channel because listen, I'm going to give you lots of good stuff here. I want to take years and years of this experience and give it to you so that you can say, you know what, good point. Thanks for the nugget, Mark. I appreciate it. I'm going to use that in my everyday investing business or my brokerage business. Subscribe to our channel. I sure would appreciate it. Check us out on all of our social media platforms. Resultscommercial.com, that's our website. I hope you'll check it out. And if you need anything, reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me today.